Hey everybody, Zach Piña here with aBlogtoWatch. We're here at Baselworld 2019 with our friends at Grand Seiko. We're checking out the brand new SBGA403, an extremely cool looking new Grand Seiko equipped with a spring drive movement. Definitely the most unique thing about this, of course, with the new dial and hands, is going to be the actual brass dial itself, which has a beautiful texture designed to evoke the pattern that you would see on a lion's mane. Lion, of course, being very emblematic for Grand Seiko. This piece will be available a little bit later this summer for a retail price of $10,600. Again, it's equipped with the 9R15 spring drive caliber. It's a 44.5 millimeter case, and it is limited to 500 pieces. We will have more information on this piece on aBlogtoWatch.com. As always, if you find these videos useful, please like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.